This is a Huawei Pura 7T Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix the slow Android system issues on this device. So if you have been experiencing the sluggish performance and would like to fix that, first thing that I recommend you do is find and launch the Optimizer app. Here we can start by simply tapping up the Optimize button and allow this tool to automatically, fix whatever performance issues it is going to find. Then, not leaving the optimizer, you can also perform the storage cleanup. So tap at the cleanup icon here, see what storage cleanup measures it comes up with, and simply do those measures. For example, my system is in fairly healthy state, but I can compress one file and erase junk files. So can you. Once the storage cleanup is finished, you can also launch settings, then enter the battery category and switch on the performance mode, even though it will drain battery more quickly, but you will get better processing performance and your device should not feel sluggish or should not feel slow after you enroll this option. And as far as the optimization steps go, that will be more or less everything I wanted to cover. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.